We're rolling. Hey guys, Cubside Tusney Reacts here, and today I'm doing a reaction video called Kid Smashes Dishwasher Because He Didn't Want to Do Dishes, Mom Cries Original. This is by Oshag Mushroom, and this is my first video of June of 2021. And make sure you subscribe and watch my videos in your spare time, and I'm not pressuring you, I promise you. Make sure you subscribe and like my videos, and I'm not pressuring you, you can watch them in your spare time. And let's react. It's been lots of it, and hope you guys like this angle. And don't be mad at me in the comments. Alright, let's see what I think of. I know it's alright, it looks dark here, but alright, let's react. See what I think. Huh. Oh, Salt Lake City, Utah. That's where they used to be from.
I hate elevators, guys. Hate elevators.
Oh, you hate elevators?
Because Leader always jumps in them.
Oh, yeah.
Always. We're going in, we're going in. Do not jump. I swear to God, if you jump, I'm gonna freak the...
Freak the heck out.
Alright, we're going to the second level.
What?
Okay, do
It's
not
like
jump,
they're at a mall, aren't they?
Don't jump. Don't jump. God dang it, don't jump.
They're jumping. Sheesh. Dead gun.
Like I said, guys, I hate elevators. Because of you. Because of you. You freak me out every time.
Oh, yeah. True.
Well, you learned hobbies like soap carving, B-Dubs raised the bar on bar food, and chefed up a stacked roster of loaded hand-smashed burgers, juicy chicken sandwiches, and buffalo chicken tots. So ditch the decoratives and come crush with your crew, Buffalo Wild Wings.
If you think the Indominus was bad, we have to leave the island.
What do we do now? Jurassic World Game Cretaceous, now streaming on Netflix.
Wow. You guys, hope you guys can still see the video. I know I'm supposed to be vaccinated by now. Oh, Cheesecake Factory. This is a good place. This is a nice place.
Alright, so here we are hanging
I
out.
think we're wearing hats.
At Cheesecake Factory. And we sat pretty much at the same spot. It might have been that next table down where we sat last time, pretty close to where we were sitting again. But Leland choked on a corn dog here the last time we were here.
I bet it was a long time ago.
You see that building right there? Yeah. Hold on, there's a glare. So okay, you can see the windows. There's a big condo building there next to us. That's where Donovan Mitchell lives.
No way, I'm
Lives at City Creek Center.
right now.
Yeah, go Jazz, huh? They won
Go
last
visit
night,
him.
so
Make sure you make a video about you going to visit Donovan Mitchell.
Alright,
What the heck, that was a
guys,
joke.
Why are we here today?
I don't know. Factory. I honestly don't.
You don't know? Alright, well, why are we here?
Why are we here, Carol?
I'm celebrating the end of school.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I'm almost done with school too, guys. I might do reactions. I might do reactions over the summer. I promise you.
Cheesecake Factory.
Oh, yeah.
I did. I actually did something useful.
Big.
Okay, so we got the appetizer, chips, guacamole.
It's huge.
It's huge. It's like
What?
an entire
Guac.
cereal bowl of guacamole.
Come on, get copyrighted for this.
Alright, so I'm gonna ask the kids what are their summer goals for this year.
I bet theirs just to play video
What do you
games.
want to do or accomplish this summer?
Play video games. Play video games.
Get my motorcycle fixed and
You've already broke it?
and maybe get some achievements on video games.
Of course, video games every time.
Oh, there you go, get a tan.
I'm very pale.
Well, wearing a hoodie and a sweatshirt isn't going to help you get a tan. Alright, Leanna, what do you want to accomplish?
I don't know if it does.
I want to try and read more and to also practice on art.
Oh, you want art? Okay, you want art career?
For me, I just want one normal summer.
Haha. You say that every time, Lee.
Leland got the pizza. He didn't dare to. Leland
Goodness.
didn't dare to try to eat the corn dogs.
Goodness. Those are big.
He loved this lesson.
Those are big.
Yeah.
Don't even act like you're choking, bruh.
That was scary.
Goodness, bruh.
Well, how is it? Oh,
Don't even act like you're choking, bruh.
pretty good.
That was fun.
Alright, we're just getting out. That was a really good lunch, huh, guys? So, yeah, Leland, this building here, that's where he lives. Well, you should get your bike like what that guy has. Get Leland a bike like that.
Don't imagine it.
So that's pretty cool. All these cars are lined up. There's actually a Chick-fil-A drive-thru here. I had no idea.
Really?
Here at City Creek
Go ahead.
Center.
What?
You can just grab Chick-fil-A on the go. Here in downtown, I had no idea they had a drive-thru.
Sheesh.
Oh, we got a long line of cars here.
Ooh.
This
Dang.
Chick-fil-A, I think
I
it's
feel
at
like
the base
Chick-fil-A,
of
my goodness.
this whole office building here. I think there's a Chick-fil-A store right there.
Hey, there's like a Disney, like mini Mickey Mouse.
So yeah, the employee brings the food out. That's pretty cool, and then they just give to the people there in the cars. That's a cool service. I had no idea
Mobile
they
unit.
did any of that here.
It's mobile unit.
You see the train?
Oh, train's coming past. Oh no! It's going. Ooh, it's going fast.
And it's gonna go right under us.
Here we go! It's going under! What building are you guys in?
There it is. Whoa! Is it going under us? Wow.
Huh.
It stopped.
Oh, it's a station.
This side of the mall's kind of crowded.
There's the fountain. So I think every like, I don't know, 20 minutes or so they do like a fountain show. You saw those like fire that shoots out of it as well. It's like something you see in Las Vegas. So they do like a fountain
Vegas.
show and then there's fire that shoots out of it as
Oh,
well.
nice. It would be nice.
Usually I can't film those because they play music and I get copyrighted. I'm gonna take a picture of Carol next to Tiffany's. Tiffany's and Company. Oh wait, you know what? True story. I got in trouble in London because I tried to take a picture of Carol years ago. Yeah, and the security person told me we're not allowed to take any pictures. Get the heck out of here.
Get the heck out of here.
Good times. I was like what, 26 years old?
Before you had this monster.
Before I had you monsters. I mean, God, if they kicked, okay, so if they kicked me out for wanting to take a picture, imagine how they would react now with him. Alright, Leland, so how was your day at the mall?
Good. Yeah.
Spent a few hours here. That's pretty cool.
Good little Star Wars souvenir.
Yeah. Well, where's that guy? So,
Oh, Carol just.
think we're gonna be heading home now, or just, let's walk around the entire mall?
Why are we wearing hats? Meanwhile, back at home. Oh yeah, country life.
Alright, guys.
Country
so
life.
Back from City Creek Center. Had a nice, spent a nice day in downtown Salt Lake City. Now we're back home.
Country life. Country life.
Seriously?
Country life.
So anyway, yeah. So first week of the kids being out of school.
Oh, they're already out of school?
Has officially
Oh, man.
Graduated elementary school. So congratulations to Leland.
I got like
So
I got like
barbecue.
3 days. I got like 3 or 4 days left.
Do some barbecue chicken. That sounds really good.
I think.
Gotta get that
I don't know if I ever had it. I think I have.
So we're back home. It's another day. What? Well, actually, Joe tended to do this.
Joe-chan, you gotta do it. You gotta, what are we having doing, Carol? Oh, grilled chicken, bruh.
Chicken legs.
Nickies. Oh, I love those. There's times where I am a fan. There's times where I am a fan of grilled chicken. There's times where I'm not. Don't judge me.
And so while Carol was preparing on that, Leland and I earlier, we actually did a gaming video.
Oh yeah.
A new game we've never played before called Knockout City.
Knockout City.
So Leland's a fan of it. Leland, what do you think of Knockout City?
Gonna knock something out, I bet.
Okay. So I'm in the process of trying to save that on the computer. Then once we have this file saved, I'll be able to put it up. But look how slow it is. It takes forever, guys. Like it's only at 1%. It's like 1 frame per second. And it's a 41-minute video. But once we get that up, guys, I'll have a link, hopefully, and you can check it out on our gaming channel, Shiitake Mushroom Gaming.
How's it not? How's it not old? So
Yeah,
like,
look at that. So you,
I think we need to try to do it like that.
okay, thank you, Carol.
You're awesome, girl.
Alright, Leanne, I need you out of the pool. I need you to help
Other pool. You gotta do some cleaning.
How's the swimming pool?
It's cold now, but when I got it, because of the pool cover, it heats it up. It was actually kind of
I know you.
hot.
When I got out of the pool, I still feel cold, but just kind of, just something. Even though it's even under a pool cover,
Take the goggles off.
even though it's warm.
Hey, Leland, clean
I've
the
gone through that
table,
before.
And I'm gonna get ready to
It might be the wind. I don't know.
Leland, what are you doing up there?
Get down from there. What the heck? Get down from there.
Now, sometimes I wonder, why do we have cupboards way up here?
That was a lie.
Can't even reach them. Like, okay. Like, okay, even okay, I'm 6'1", guys. I'm the tallest person in this family. Even I have a hard time reaching. Got those Happy Meals again. God dang it, Leland.
Of course.
You're in your Happy Meal stuff.
I bet he hasn't stopped. Ah. Baby shads. Well, I didn't know about YouTube back then.
Dad, Rudy, go. Hey, shut up.
Hey.
Be nice to each other.
Don't say that.
Yeah, so just
Would you guys say that? Not on my watch. Not in my household.
sweep that, and then Leland, come here. I need you to. Actually, sweep.
This is one of the reasons why I would not have kids.
Clean the table. It's dirty.
Because I'm afraid they'll get spoiled.
Alright.
Quickly.
So I'm gonna get grill in here.
Quickly.
Are these ready for me to put in the grill?
Yeah, don't touch Leland.
Leland,
Oh, I
that's
thought they were already cooked.
Why did they were cooked? What the heck? It's so raw.
cooked. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to. Can't wait until after dinner when Lena can just do these dishes.
Yeah.
You do.
Good point.
You know, there's an easy way of cutting that watermelon. I just put a bunch of rubber bands around it.
Huh. What will happen? What if you did that? If you guys want to do an experiment about it, you can show me and put it up. Put it up.
Chicken legs coming for.
You can put it up on YouTube, and I'll make sure to watch it because I was kind of wondering myself if you guys want to.
Walk in the concrete mile.
Of course it. Oh yeah. It tastes better. It tastes better.
I guess these take like 40 minutes to cook, so.
I have no idea. I really have no idea. I really have no idea. I haven't had grilled chicken in like a year, I guess. And that's like 12. Is that like 12?
That's a lot of chicken legs.
Is that like 12? Close to 20 or something?
Anyway, I'm gonna close that up. Let that cook.
Or it has to be 12 or something. I don't know. Cause you just touched raw
Let it
food.
cook for a little bit, and then we'll flip them.
I finally found it.
So then you can be like rotated like every 5 minutes.
Every 5 minutes, I'm gonna be standing out there for like 45 minutes.
Oh.
What are those things called? Those were really popular like a few years back. Remember those
Fidget
toys?
spinners. I thought people claimed that it's a stress tool.
Oh, I got the chicken.
Oh, you
legs,
grilling
I got
corn? Okay, I think corn. They sound good on
Those
a
are
grill.
gonna have to stick out. I don't have enough.
I mean, oh yeah, they're not short enough.
You wanna see what I'm gonna do with the chicken?
Dip the chicken.
Oh, what is that? Barbecue sauce?
I'm gonna
Barbecue sauce.
Bob Ross. Happy little.
That is barbecue sauce.
paint the chicken.
Don't touch that.
Have you tried that?
This is like an art form, guys.
Would you try that?
Happy little chicken.
I think I never tried chicken with barbecue sauce on it. I really haven't.
Alright.
Have you? Comment below.
Okay, now, guys. Look at all that. We're gonna cook in the barbecue sauce. So the barbecue sauce is gonna just soak into the meat, cook into the meat here. And it's gonna be really good. Alright, so we're about done here.
Oh.
Oh, it's your turn to do it.
Come on, do the dishes.
Okay, I'm out here cooking.
No, I
Carol never.
Okay, so I'm cooking, guys, and then Leland's gonna do the
If
dishes.
you're cooking, Leland, you would touch the dadgum grill,
So
darn.
you want me to cook and do the dishes?
No, I'm the one cooking.
You're not cooking.
Yeah, I'm obviously
Okay,
cooking.
I'm the one standing right here next to the grill. I'm the one flipping all this every 5 minutes.
No,
These
I am.
food takes 45
You're not
minutes
doing
to
it.
cook.
No, I am.
It's gonna be
What?
good, trust me.
Yeah, because
Oh
I'm
my
cooking.
god.
But seriously though,
You haven't even taught him how to even use touch the grill anyway.
you gotta do the dishes.
Obviously.
You gotta do the dishes. And then, okay, once you're done with the dishes, then you can get on the Xbox.
Put the cider on my thorn bush.
Alright, so I'm gonna
Oh, dadgum, those actually do look good, I have to admit.
look at that.
No, I got chicken tenders from a good place called Cookout up Main Street here in NC,
This looks good.
here in North Carolina.
Yeah, these
It's like
are
12.
Look at that.
Oh, it smells so good.
Touch them.
I would. We need to try that. I need to try that. I need to try that.
Alright, here comes the meat.
That's
The
chicken.
legs.
Gosh dang, Carol, what are you doing? Oh, okay. Carol got the fruit ready.
Jesus Christ, we're still at only 1%.
Crap.
How's the food, you guys?
Oh, you haven't, Carol? Oh, okay. I thought you did for a second while you were looking at the video.
Yeah, it sounds really good.
Yeah, the chicken looks
Oh, it does, Carol? Okay. Oh, yeah. A lot of people like corn on the cob, cooked corn on the cob with butter. A lot of people do. Trust me, they do. I've seen people
Oh, that was good. What do you think?
that quick. I'll be darned, that quick.
Okay, we good? You like it, Leanna?
Very good.
What do you think, Kayla?
Oh, very good.
Good. Let's see where we're at.
So at 93? Oh,
66%. This is slow.
it's slow.
So slow.
Ton-
Well, thanks for dinner, Kayla.
Thanks for dinner, girl. I like it.
Bored right now, guys. I'm just walking around the house.
Walk around the house.
Alright, so I found this new game on Xbox. It's called Knockout City. I'm playing right now. It's really fun.
It's on the gaming channel, Leland.
Do the dishes, honestly. They're stupid and annoying. I just want to keep
Not a lot of people like doing it. Well,
Knockout
guys, I put
City.
away dishes. I just put them away. I don't wash them. Well, I've only done it. I've done it a few times.
To do the dishes.
I've done it a few
play.
times. Don't judge me.
I feel like I'm about to smash that stupid dishwasher soon. So.
Weird, Leland. What did the dishwasher ever do to you?
But I just want to keep playing this game. It's so
People just destroy things for no reason.
so
This kid is spoiled.
fun.
I have to admit.
Like seriously, it's amazingly fun.
Ah,
Like
I don't know if I would do a reaction video like this again.
game and everything.
Hope the video's not too bright, guys. Does it look bright?
Really fun game. I honestly just want to keep playing it.
I wish I could adjust the brightness on my TV, to be honest.
Dishwasher.
So, school's out. We got these kids home now.
Oh man.
Every day, Leland's on the Xbox playing on. He's playing Smash City. What was that called? Knockout City.
Yeah, it's Knockout City.
And,
Yeah, you guys
he's
need to.
on that every day. So Carol, what are we up to? What do we need to do?
I need him to do the dishes.
Who,
Good
Leland?
point. Yeah, Leland.
Oh.
Yep.
Look at all these.
Oh,
my God.
dead gum. Yes.
Yeah, it's
Dead gum.
good point. Okay, so yeah, it's actually Leland's turn to do the dishes.
Three play buttons.
Was doing it last week.
I
so
don't
he
imagine
pushed
me
it
having a
off
play
every
button,
week.
and just
Hey,
because I'm a
Leland,
YouTuber.
Take a break from the video games. I
because
need
I'm a
you to do the
YouTuber.
dishes.
Oh, I'm playing a Flash game.
No,
I
can play this later. Oh, take 10
gotta get like,
minutes to do
I
the
gotta
dishes.
get less like
I know
100,000 if I want to try to get a play button.
No, come on.
No, make me out do it.
No, Leland, I'm
Drag
serious. I'm
drag
not
the
taking
chair
Xbox
and then
off
put
you
it in
on this
front of the
one. Come on,
dishwasher, or
Leland.
dishes or something.
Yes, I will. Now, come on.
No,
Leland,
no, no, no.
Leland.
Come on,
No.
you
I'm gonna
little.
turn the game off. Now, come on. It's your turn to do the dishes.
Stupid freaking dishes.
Leland, we all have to clean.
You gotta clean. You can't just think that you can.
Do the dishes.
I do yard work. Okay, unless you want to help me do yard work.
Good point.
Well, I just want to play Xbox.
Well, I want to play Minecraft too. Okay, it's your turn. Yes, I take out the trash. Speaking of which, not yet.
Oh, that's not
Where
full.
you going?
Oh no, he's got a hammer.
Come on, go.
Oh crap, he got a hammer.
Leon, no!
Oh my god, what the heck?
Stop!
The heck is wrong with you?
You
Oh,
dented the dishwasher!
damn, this thing is pretty good.
No, Leon!
Oh my gosh.
You busted!
What
You
the
dented it.
heck, bruh?
Leon!
What the heck?
What are you doing to the dishwasher? My dishwasher!
What the heck?
No!
What the heck is wrong with this darn kid?
You are go pick that up right now!
Pick that
Go
crap
pick it
up.
Leon, stop! Leon, oh my god!
Oh my god.
Leon! Holy
Put him in a foster home or something. Or put him in a
God, there's no dishes in that
put him
one.
in a freaking medical or I don't know. Do
What are you
something.
doing? No!
Put him in jail again, I guess.
You are grounded. You put that back on the dishwasher right
Thank
now.
God I'm not gonna have kids.
No!
Thank goodness I'm not gonna have kids.
You are in
'Cause I'm afraid they'll be
such big
spoiled just
trouble
like
now,
these.
Leon.
That's what I'm afraid of.
You're in big trouble. You're grounded all summer. You go pick
That might be a
up
good
your
idea,
bags.
actually.
I'm serious. You're grounded all summer.
If I grounding, I don't know if it
You're
really
grounded all
helps.
summer. And there's still dishes.
How am I grounded? What do I do? Uh-oh. You can hear Carol
You
crying.
busted Mom's dishwasher.
Uh-oh.
Hey.
Oh no, he just...
Hey, no! No, that is enough. That is enough. Oh. You are
Dude,
grounded.
spank him, Carol. What the heck?
So grounded. I don't even. You ruined our dishwasher.
Spank him.
Like, what is the what
Goodness
is this?
gracious.
What does that even mean?
Does that mean it's running? I don't know. Can mean, or that it doesn't have anything? I don't know.
Busted our dishwasher.
I think about it myself.
That dishwasher's only 2 years old. That dishwasher's only 2 years old. Hey, go to you, Will. I cannot believe this. Leon completely destroyed our dishwasher. Carol's dishwasher. No, you pick up this mess.
Oh no.
What are you doing now? No, put it back in the dishwasher where it belongs, Leland. Oh my God. Oh my.
Oof. Ouch.
God dang it, guys.
That hurt.
Busted dishwasher now. I'm trying to pick up the pieces.
You might have to call somebody to get a new one. And put a gate around it, I guess. Can't just do what your parents tell you to do.
You're grounded. I'm serious. You're grounded. Go to your room. Go to your room. No more Knockout City. No more Knockout City. You cannot destroy that taco. Hold on.
Yes. What? Does that mean that's... How the heck does
I
it
think
still...
I fixed it, Kel.
Does it still work? But the problem is, there ain't no dishes. The problem is, there isn't any dishes.
Whatever.
That's the problem. You're probably gonna have to... You're gonna have to get a new one. Because you got one spoiled kid, honestly.
Dented.
Oh gosh, you got a
This
pretty...
is not how I wanted to spend my weekend, guys.
Nobody likes that. You okay? Oh yeah, going up a hill.
More pieces over here.
You guys got a spoiled kid. My gosh. I am not joking. That kid is... That's what happens when you play video games your entire time. You end up getting spoiled. Never want to do anything else. Good thing I don't play video games a lot, guys. I really don't.
As a stressed out parent, I'm just tired. I'm not even mad anymore. I'm just tired. Go to your room.
Mired. Half mad, half tired.
Try to put this back together. Hey, open the door. Open the door. Leon.
Open the door. Gosh.
You're still crying, Cal?
I must-
It's pinching my fingers. We're gonna fix this. I don't care how. We're gonna fix this. We're gonna fix this.
You're gonna have to call somebody. You have to call somebody.
I'm done. I am done. I've had enough. I just don't care anymore. Ow. God. Stinks in there.
It does.
Guys, so while I'm trying to figure out how to fix this dishwasher, while my head is in the dishwasher, I'm gonna shout out to your captains here. Khalid has some videos, James Bate, Aiden Jack, Eli Cooper, John Malkin.
There's no weird way to make money.
It's 2 years old.
Still fairly new.
Right?
It's still new.
Not.
So new. You guys need a truck.
Alright, well, there's Home Depot right over there, just off the exit here.
My goodness.
Over there.
Look how busy it is. Look at all those cars. Dang it.
And while we're there, you're not buying any trees or anything. I don't want you.
I'm not even in the mood for trees.
Okay, good.
I'm not even in the mood, Carol. I wish I did.
I don't know, whatever else. I'll just put it very appointed. Yeah.
Anywhere. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that reaction as much as I did, and gosh, I have to admit, they really do got some spoiled kids. Well, Leland's probably the most spoiled one. If you got an opinion on that, you can tell me in the comments, and you can watch my videos in your spare time, and subscribe, and you can put a like. Doesn't matter. And if you want to say a good comment, and if you like this video, I'll have it uploaded, and you can watch it in your spare time. And this Skip Saturday Tells Me Reacts, and have a good summer.